In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Shopify gift cards for your online store. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, click on Products from the left sidebar. Next, select Gift Cards to open the Gift Card Management section. Now click Add Gift Card Product to create a new gift card for your store. Enter a title for your gift card product that customers can easily recognize, such as Store Gift Card or Birthday Gift Card. After that, upload an image for the gift card to make it visually appealing and more attractive to customers. Next, set the gift card denominations by adding different values customers can purchase, like $25, $50, or $100. You can also add a product description explaining how the gift card works and how customers can redeem it during checkout. Make sure the vendor and product type details are correctly filled in to keep your store organized. Once everything is ready, click Save Gift Card Product to publish it to your Shopify store. Customers can now purchase gift cards directly from your website and use the unique code they receive during checkout to pay for products. Gift cards are a great way to increase sales, attract new customers, and encourage repeat purchases for your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.